So here it begins with your actual submission process. You need to click uh, submit new manuscript. So type of articles here: a review, editorial, letter to editor, commentary, etc. So I'll be choosing review, then click on proceed. In this video, I'll be guiding you the stepwise process to submit manuscript for Elsevier journal. And today's journal is selected based on the previously published video in this channel, and the selection of the journal is based on no article processing fee. So this was the video which was published recently, and here I am choosing one of the journal with no article processing fee. So today's journal is Health Sciences Review. So this journal publishes review articles. So today I'll be submitting a review article to Elsevier journal Health Sciences Review. Let me show you the stepwise protocol or process. So my dear subscriber or my dear viewers, please don't miss a single step so that you get confused later on. So let's jump on to the submission process. Health Sciences Review web page via Google. I typed this name in Google, which redirected me to Health Sciences Review journal page. Here you can see publish option. Under this you have an option of submit your article. I will click on this, which will redirect us to the editorial managing page like this. So here, if you have already have username and password, then you can type here and choose author login. But now as we are submitting new, I will be choosing here register now. So here you can type your first name and last name along with your email address and click continue. Here you need to type your password. I will be submitting the password and enter your title. Enter your, if you want, you can enter your degree, preferred name, phone, primary phone number, secondary phone number, mobile, fax number, email address. Anything which is highlighted in red is not optional, which is mandatory, whereas the things which is highlighted in black are optional. So I have submitted all the related information here. Then I need to submit the institution. Then country. It will ask, are you available as a reviewer? If you want to or wish to review any manuscript from this journal, you can you have an option, you can click on this yes or no. I will choose no. Now you need to add keywords. So you need to add keywords here. Enter at least 5 keywords. Bio-nanotechnology. I will be adding bio-nanotechnology, nanoparticles. Here you need to add based on your expertise. Antimicrobial. I have added antimicrobial resistance. Then bioconjugation. 1, 2, 3. So let me check whether I have added 1, 2, 3. So I will add bioconjugation. And phytonanotechnology. So these are some of my expertise. So I am adding the keywords. Once you are done with the minimum 5 keywords, then press continue. So please confirm the following very important information. My first name, my last name, my username will be my email address. Click here and accept the terms and conditions of the journal. Then click continue. So check your email for a message to confirm your registration. Note that editorial manager may have assigned a different username if the one you selected is already in use. So let me check my email address, like inbox. So here I have received the username. If you want, you can reset your password. Here is your username which you need to access editorial board. Okay. So from here, if you click this editorial manager, then it will redirect you to the same page which we had opened previously. So here my username is already here, my password is here, so I need to choose. You have 4 options: author login, reviewer login, editor login, publisher login. You need to choose author login. Click on to the author login button. Then please complete the items below to continue. Self-report your data to improve quality in research. You need to provide more information like your identity. Next, you need to choose your ethnic origin or ancestry. So next, how would you identify yourself in terms of race? Submit the response or return to the journal page. Here again you need to click continue, and here you have landed to a page where you have an options submit new manuscript. So here it begins with your actual submission process. You need to click uh, submit new manuscript. So type of articles here: a review, editorial, letter to editor, commentary, etc. So I'll be choosing review, then click on proceed. Here, very importantly, I have chosen the type of article what I am submitting, attach files. You need to have previously a folder with the different files what you are submitting. I already have the folder which contains covering letter, author's detail, graphical abstract, like figures, health science review, manuscript. So what I will do, I will click on browse button and start submitting the files. So let me check where is my folder. Okay, so I will be selecting health science review manuscript. So here you have an option like from the scroll down button, whether it is a covering letter, conflict of interest, title page, manuscript, figure, table, highlights for review, video still, graphical abstract for review, supplementary material. So the attached file is related to manuscript. So I will choose manuscript. You can change the description if you want. Then you need to scroll down. You can see here the manuscript file is attached. You need to check here with this option size. If it is 0 means the file contains nothing. So be careful. So now what I will choose is I will choose the covering letter and click browse. I am ready with my covering letter. Click on the covering letter. Here you can see your covering letter is here. Next I will choose figure, browse, then from here health science review figures, click. So it is the figures are here. Then moving on to I don't have table, so I will be uploading the title page. Before that I will be uploading the graphical abstract. Browse the graphical abstract. I have the graphical abstract should be PGP or JPEG format. My graphical abstract file is in JPEG format. It is already uploaded. Now I will be uploading conflict of interest. Upload conflict of interest file. Here you can see it is being uploaded. Yes. Then title page. You need to upload the files one by one. Then highlights for review. So I will be telling you what is highlights, how to prepare title page at the end of the video. Now the highlight a file is uploaded. So there are total altogether 7 files which I have uploaded. Then I will click on proceed button. Now here you need to suggest 2 reviewers. Click on to add suggested reviewer. I have already added the reviewer name here. You need to add their first name, last name, email address, institution, and etc. So the next option is adding reviewer or suggesting 2 reviewers. So here you need to click add suggested reviewer. Here you can see you need to fill the first name, last name, institution, email address, which are compulsory. The rest it is optional for you. I already have the reviewer's name and affiliation. So you need to add why you are choosing this reviewer. I will add here expertise. So after adding the institution name, I will click on save this reviewer button. Then again you need to click add suggested reviewer. I already have the details. I will be entering their institution number, institution name, which was also there with their previously reported match. Now I will be adding why I have chosen this reviewer. In my first reviewer I had chosen expertise in the field of nanotechnology or nanoparticles. Here I will be mentioning that expertise biological expertise in biological applications of nanoparticles. Then click on to save this reviewer option. Once the reviewers are updated, then proceed. Click. Now you need to confirm some of the questionnaire. Please confirm that you have mentioned all organizations that funded your research in acknowledgement section of your submission. So answer, you have the answer with the option. Choose the options and click proceed. Now enter comments. Please enter any additional comments you would like to send to a publication office. These comments will not appear directly in your submission. So here what I always do is I just copy the content of the covering letter and submit here. Click proceed. Now you will get an option of adding title once again. So what we need to do is go to the title page, just copy the title. It is it has already taken the title. I think the abstract also it has taken. It has extracted from the file what we have submitted. Keywords, it has extracted. The important thing, the authors list what you had mentioned in your manuscript, it is extracted, and now we need to add the missing information of each and every author. So what is the missing information here? Email address. So I have a huge list of authors. I will add this and we'll continue the video. List. Now we will move on to the next segment, the funding information. Here this study is not funded by any funding agency, so I will click funding information is not available. So everything is ready for the submission. The title is updated, abstract is updated, keywords are updated, authors list is updated, funding agency information is updated. Now we need to click build PDF for approval. And if you still wants to correct anything, then you can click save and submit it later. Now the publishing options. This is a gold open access journal, publishing only open access articles. We will present your personalized publishing options based on the institution and funding details you have given us. So let us click publishing options. When you click the publishing options, it will give us the open access policy of the journal. We need to choose whether we want our article to be in open access format or not. It is still loading. This is a publishing option based on the information you provided. So gold open access, the article processing fee is 1900 USD, but it is having a discount, so 0 USD. So we need to click save and return button, then proceed. So now you need to click I accept button, which is the option where you are accepting the ethics in the publishing. The current status of your manuscript submission is building PDF. You get the date of submission, date of status, title, and here you can see the action followed by plus arrow, plus symbol. You need to click press. Now it is still building the PDF. Here you will be assigned with the manuscript number from the journal site. Any future communication you need to communicate with this manuscript number. It is yet to build the PDF. version of my submitted manuscript. You need to wait for a while so that it will provide you the link for view submission, edit submission, similar articles in Medline, approve submission, remove submission, correspondence and email. So before clicking any of the option, first you need to see view submission. The PDF is getting downloaded. Here you need to check whether all the information what you have submitted is correct or not. If there is any mistake, then you have an option of edit submission. So now let me check the title, type, keywords, corresponding author, author list, abstract, the suggested reviewer, covering letter, declaration of competing interest, my manuscript, the title page, the manuscript file, and here I have drafted a review article, the references of the review, followed by the figure, highlights. So I will save this for my future correspondence to the journal. Okay, now I will click on approve submission. There is a window popping up here. Are you sure you want to approve this submission? Click OK if everything is right, and the submission will be confirmed through mail to the corresponding author. And here you will be getting the manuscript number. So here you can see submission being processed. If you click submission being processed, here you can see the manuscript number assigned to this manuscript submitted. The current status is manuscript is submitted, which means you have successfully submitted your manuscript. If I go and check my email, then this is a confirmation mail stating that my manuscript is submitted for further valuation. So moving on to how to prepare the title page and the abstract. Here is a submission checklist in the author guide, which will give you a complete detail information like how to prepare your manuscript for submission. Title. The title must be concise and informative. Titles are often used in information retrieval system. Avoid abbreviation and formulae where possible. Followed by, in the title page, you need to add author's name and affiliation, where you will clearly indicate the given names and family names of each author and check that all names are accurately spelled. Corresponding author. Clearly indicate who will handle correspondence at all the stages of referring and publication, also post publication process. Then you need to provide present and permanent address. Highlight. Here the highlight should be in the bullet points, where You provide the novelty of your manuscript. Abstract should be concise. Factual abstract is required. How to prepare graphical abstract? What are the type of files they prefer? Keywords, abbreviation, which I have listed at the end of the manuscript. Acknowledgement, formatting of funding sources, if you have any mathematical formula. Footnote, artwork, how you need to prepare, tables, citation, references, etc. So with this, I will conclude this video. If you have any doubt, then please email me at the following email address, pstns@gmail.com. Thank you. Wish you all the best for your scientific endeavors. If you are new to this channel, please do hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for upcoming videos.